Now let's take a look at these examples. Again, we're supposed to replace the power of 10 by the proper symbol of the metric prefix. 10 to negative 12 is represented by lowercase letter p. So instead of writing 150 times 10 to negative 12, I'm going to write lowercase letter p amp. You're supposed to read this value as 150 pico amps. Let's take a look at the next example. I have 2.6 times 10 to 0. Take a look. Anytime we have power of 10 to 0, we have no symbol and no name of the prefix. So simply, you have to realize that 10 to 0 is equal 1. 1 times 2.6 is simply 2.6. Your answer is supposed to be 2.6 H. H stands for Henry. We are going to talk about this in the future. So it means no prefix, simply write 2.6 and the unit of measure. Now let's take a look at this example. I have 2 times 10 to negative 9. 10 to negative 9 is represented by lowercase letter n. Okay, so I'm going to write 2 nanofarads. Again, we don't care about the unit of measure. We today care about the prefix, the symbol of the prefix. So 10 to negative 9 is represented by n nano. Answer is 2 nanofarads.